Mega Clear 8600, a fast-drying air-dry clear coat, perfect for spot repairs on single elements. Features extremely quick drying times while maintaining a high gloss finish. Technical tips. Mixing ratio 2:1. Standard version pot life is approximately 30 minutes. Use a spray gun with a 1.2 to 1.4 mm nozzle diameter. Apply in 1.5 or 2 coats. For 1.5 coat option, you can apply the second layer directly, without flash-off time between coats. Ready for polishing is achieved after just 1 hour. Mega Clear 8600 achieves a very high final hardness without the need for baking. Exceptionally fast curing and a stable finish after the repair is its primary advantage. Detailed information about the product is available in the technical datasheet, on the packaging, and in the description below the video. Make sure to check out other NOVOL products. NOVOL. We're with you every step of the way.